Hi, thanks for checking out this video. I have a pretty easy tutorial for you. Turning chrome into brushed aluminum or brushed metal. You can see on the right I have a nice shiny chrome rim, and on the left a bit duller, a bit of a less shiny look, less understated. Stick around and I can show you what I did to I don't know what you'd call it, just de-bling these rims.
We're getting outside today. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, so just cleaning up these rims. Now, as you can see, I kind of cleaned them a little bit before, and you don't have to do a super good job. Basic idea is take off the gravel and the grit, and because when I do or you do sand it, you don't want to scratch them, harsh. You don't put a big gouge in it. You just want the scouring pad to do the work, and just clean up the best you can. You're not worried about getting greases and oils and waxes off like you would if you were painting these rims. It's just a basic once over. And what I use here is this. Now it goes by a name brand, and price dictates quality. Don't get cheap dollar store stuff. Get the good name brand. I'm not going to say it, but it's a scouring pad, and it brightens certain things up. And get in there and start scuffing. And what I'm showing you is one direction. So just keep the one direction. I'm going back and forth. Some people will say just go one direction, pick up the pad and keep going, south, south, south. But I'm north, south, north, south. But don't go east, west. And then inside every surface you can see, they like that. So, and that'll give you a consistent kind of brushed metal look to rim, and it really kind of takes the tone down. This is me. I think I sped this up 4 times. So, and I timed it. It took about 4 minutes to do it, and with cleanup and drying, I think I was into it 7 minutes. So, and it's just, for me, it's that time of season. This is spring. I'm going from winter work to summer. So we take off our winter tires and put on all seasons where I live. And it's a good time if you want to change it. You could say I'm ruining these rims, but actually, polish them up, they'll come right back. I mean, I'm taking a little bit of chrome off, but that's about it. And it's a lot less work than painting. I probably like a painted rim. I'm not into a really shiny chrome. And there's lots of places on your car I can show you where you have a bit of a more dull brushed metal look versus shiny chrome. And I'm one to kind of take off all the chrome on my vehicles. Low key kind of look. And I like just the raw brushed aluminum look to a rim rather than these are chromed aluminum. So to go to paint your rims, I mean, it is a lot of work. You really have to prep it really well. And if you paint a rim, you're kind of ruining it. You can't go back. So at least with this, you can go back. So it's a pretty easy kind of way to change the look of your rim. And again, for me, so what I'm showing you here's the roof rack, that shiny chrome, and then we have it's probably plastic, but it's a look of a more dull look. And other places looks good is I haven't done it here yet, but grills and things. So I think it gives you a nice look. I think I'm showing you my dirty car, but yeah. And again, brushed metal versus shiny. But it gives you a bit of a, I could call it a pewter look or something like that, but at the glance it doesn't necessarily look like chrome because it's not shiny. The car's dirty, but that's the the finished product. And there's shine there, but not as much as you think. But hopefully it shows a difference. But thanks for watching.